Hello. Welcome back to Everyday English. Watching English stories is a great way to learn English vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in a fun and interactive way. English stories are designed to help you learn English quickly and easily, with new words, phrases, and expressions to help you improve your English skills, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. So sit back, relax, and start learning English today.
Hi, I'm Detective Turner.
Hi, and I'm Detective Smith. Today's lesson will consist of 4 parts. The first part will focus on the main story, while the second part will involve shadowing.
Parts 3 and 4 will involve rephrasing and vocabulary.
Enjoy!
All right, Detective. I will inform her when she wakes up. Don't worry about it. No, I won't forget. I promise.
Good morning, son. How are you?
Very well. How are you, Mummy?
Very tired. I've been working a lot this week. I hope the next few days will be quieter.
Me too. I'm exhausted.
Really? Why is that, son?
They have me working very hard at school. The teacher is making us paint. Paint, and she wants us to use lots of colors. Then it's story time, then we have to sing a song, and then play ball.
I see. And then at home, your mother stays asleep and you have to answer the phone. Who was it, by the way?
Your boss. He said it was Agent.
Agent?
No, it wasn't Agent. He said it was Indigent.
What do you mean, son? Wait, did he say it was urgent?
Yes, he said it was urgent.
Hello?
Hi, Detective Turner. It's me, Detective Smith. You called a while ago?
Yes, I told your son it was urgent. Where were you?
Sorry, after last week's case, I was really tired. I was in bed.
That's good. I hope you slept enough because we have something new that requires you to come down to the station immediately.
Oh no, what's it about? Another forgery?
I can't give you any more details over the phone. Detective Smith, it would be best if you came in. Take Jake to school and come immediately.
Okay, I'll be there in half an hour.
Perfect. We will wait for you. See you then.
See you then.
Now play the role of Detective Smith and interact with Jake. Read the text after you hear the bell.
Very well. How are you, Mummy? Me too. I'm exhausted. They have me working very hard at school. The teacher is making us paint. Paint, and she wants us to use lots of colors. Then it's story time, then we have to sing a song, and then play ball. Your boss. He said it was Agent. No, it wasn't Agent. He said it was Indigent. Yes, he said it was urgent.
Rephrasing sentences means using different words to clarify the meaning of something, or to avoid repeating things. Rephrasing helps you express ideas in different ways, naturally and confidently. Let's look at some examples here. But before we do, I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Thank you.
How are you today? How are you doing today? How's your day going?
Very well. How are you? I'm doing great. How about you? I'm good. Yourself? Me too. I'm exhausted. I feel the same way. I'm drained. I share your feelings. I'm exhausted. They have me working very hard at school. I'm being kept very busy with schoolwork.
What do you mean, Jake? What are you talking about here, Jake? I don't understand what you mean by that.
You called a while ago? Did you call a while ago? Did you happen to call earlier? Where were you? Where have you been? Where have you gone? Where did you go?
What's it about? What's the topic? What is the subject? I'll be there in half an hour. I will arrive in 30 minutes. I'll be there shortly.
We will wait for you. We'll be waiting for you. See you then. I look forward to seeing you then. I'll see you then.
I hope the next few days will be quieter.
The speaker implies that she is hoping for less work or activity. It implies she wants to rest because she's very tired.
Example, I hope the next few days will be quieter so that I can catch up on some rest and enjoy a little downtime.
I'm exhausted.
The phrase "I'm exhausted" means that someone is extremely tired or worn out, either physically, mentally, or both. An easier way to express the same idea could be, "I'm very tired."
Example, after working all weekend, I'm exhausted and just want to relax.
What's it about?
The phrase "what's it about" is a question asking for a summary or explanation of a topic, story, or subject. It implies that you want to know what's the main idea of something, such as a book or a movie, etc.
I saw a new movie last night, and I can't wait to tell you about it.
What's it about?
Forgery.
The verb "forge" refers to the act of creating false documents, copies, or signatures with the intent to deceive people. Forgery is considered a criminal offense. Example, the artist was accused of forgery after a collector discovered that the painting was a fake.
I see.
The expression "I see" is often used in conversation to indicate that someone understands what has been said. For example, "I see what you mean" indicates you understand and agree with someone's point.
Example, after you explain the project details, I see why your ideas are so important to the team. Immediately.
The term "immediately" means without any delay or hesitation. It refers to something that happens right away or at once. Immediately can also be expressed as right away or at once.
Example, when the fire alarm went off, we evacuated the building immediately. A while ago.
The phrase "a while ago" refers to a period that has passed, usually a bit in the past but not very long ago. An alternative expression to "a while ago" is "some time ago." Don't confuse a while with a while. They are not the same. A while without a space is an adverb that means for a period of time. A while with a space is a noun phrase that means a period of time.
I saw her at the cafe a while ago, but I didn't get a chance to say hello.
I want to take the opportunity to thank everyone for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you very much, and take care.